Also in court today, the trial for Kansas City, Missouri Police Detective Eric DeValcanier. He's defending his decision to shoot and kill a man in December of 2019. DeValcanier faces charges of first-degree involuntary manslaughter and armed criminal action in the death of Cameron Lamb. DeValcanier shot Lamb as he backed his truck into his garage. He claims Lamb pointed a gun at another officer. KSHB 41 News reporter Andres Gutierrez joins us now. And Andres, what can you tell us about the trial so far?
Well, Caitlin, during opening statement, prosecutors alleged that some of the evidence in this case may have been planted. We'll get to that in a moment. But first, we heard from several members from KCPD who established a timeline as to the moments that led up to Eric DeValcanier shooting and killing Cameron Lamb. So we go back to December 3rd, 2019. A KCPD detective by the name of Adam Hill, assigned to the Violent Offender Squad, saw a red pickup chasing a purple Mustang at speeds of up to 60 to 90 miles an hour near 43rd and Cleveland. Detective Hill asked if the police chopper was flying. It was, and so with eyes in the sky, they followed that truck that went the wrong way in traffic, blew a red light to a house near East 41st and College Avenue. There, a plainclothes detective and DeValcanier went into the backyard with their guns drawn as Cameron Lamb was backing the truck into the garage. DeValcanier claimed that he saw Lamb point a gun with his left hand at the other officer, so he shot and killed Lamb 4 times. Prosecutors arguing that Lamb couldn't use his left hand because of an injury. They also point out that at the morgue, they found 2 bullets inside of Lamb's pocket, which weren't there when crime scene technicians took photos of Lamb's belongings at the scene. Prosecutors also believe that a gun that a witness saw near a set of stairs by the garage was placed near Cameron Lamb's left hand after he was shot. And above all, the state says that neither detective had permission to go onto the property.
We'll ask you to find in your verdict what this case you now know is really about. Careful and responsible police officers protect our citizens in their own homes. Careless and irresponsible police officers shoot our citizens in their own homes.
No one ever sees Eric enter that garage or come into contact with Cameron Lamb or his truck. There is no evidence of this.
And so today is the first day of this trial that's set to go on for 5 days. The defense has opted to have a judge reach a verdict in this case versus a jury, and that has upset some of Lamb's supporters. Reporting live in downtown Kansas City this evening, Andres Gutierrez, KSHB 41 News.
Thank you for the live update, Andres. Today,